Dermstore brings you a new skincare set, the best of Dermstore Get Ready With Me kit. The set is $100 with 15 products from the most loved and favorite brands, worth $463. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Curated with everything you need to get ready to go just about anywhere, from your special days to your everydays. The best of Dermstore Get Ready With Me kit features some of the favorite beauty, skin, and hair care must-haves designed to ensure you're set for wherever life takes you, from primer and shadows to cleansing oils and blowout cream. The curated selection of going out essentials, valued at over $463, promotes glowing, hydrated, and polished skin and your hair. It has limited quantities available. I want to stress that to you guys because I know that this one will sell out. What you will receive is a Jane Iredale Pure Pressed Blush Copper Wind, full size, build like a powder and blends like a cream for seamless, long-lasting color. Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara, full size, nourishes, conditions, and adds volume and length to lashes. Nude Stick Nudies Glow All Over Face Highlight Euphorics Full Size, a cream formula with a built-in brush for a lit from within glow. First Aid Beauty Bronze and Glow Drops Full Size, visibly even skin tone, blurs pores, and hydrates with a bronze kiss of color. Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Serum, full size, smooths the look of imperfections and leaves a soft matte finish. Scene Blowout Cream, 1 ounce, gives hair, body bounce and shine while protecting from heat, pollution, and UV damage. RMS Beauty Skin to Skin Blush Brush, full size, used with creams and powders to create a smooth, airbrushed effect. Wander Beauty Lip Retreat Oil Tan Lines, full size, a lip-loving formula with the treatment of an oil and shine of a gloss. Aerobian Centella Cleansing Oil, 30 milliliters, a gentle formula that breaks down excess sebum, impurities, and waterproof makeup. Bioderma Sebum Pore Refiner, full size, tightens the look of pores and smooths and refines skin texture. Grande Cosmetics Grande Brow Fill Volumizing Brow Gel, full size, a water-resistant formula that creates fluffy, feathered arches. Ico Limitless Eyeshadow Palette Concrete Pink, full size, a 6-pan palette of delicate pinks, blush tones, nudes, and radiant shimmers. Glow Skin Beauty Cream Stay Shadow Stick and Keepsake, full size, a highly pigmented 12-hour eyeshadow crafted with built-in sharpener. Paragon MD Vitamin C Ester Brightening Serum, 1 ounce, promotes more even-looking skin and an instant luminous glow. 111 Skin Rose Gold Illuminating Eye Mask, 1 pack, uplifts, illuminates, and awakens the delicate skin around your eyes. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I think this one sounds amazing. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.